Welcome today in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And after that, let's enter into the search for Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why I tap to install, and then wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, let's just click to open the app. Yes, I agree, pick close, okay. And here we can see that information with the temperature of our device battery. Now okay, that 33 and 1. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.